Hello, my dear friend. How are you today? Welcome to our English listening practice video. Today, I have a beautiful, emotional, and powerful story for you. It's about something that many people forget life is short, so don't waste it. The title of today's story is Don't Waste Your Life. You will also learn 5 useful English phrases from this story. These phrases will help you sound natural and speak with more confidence. At the end, I will explain each phrase clearly with easy examples. So, are you ready? You can shadow with me, that means. Repeat each sentence with me. Listen carefully. Let's begin. There was a boy named Daniel. He was 19 years old. He lived in a small town in Texas, USA. Daniel had no big dreams. He liked to sleep late. He liked to watch videos all day. He liked to waste time. His father, Mr. Brown, was a taxi driver. He worked very hard. Every day, from morning to night, he drove people around. He was tired, but he never complained. He wanted Daniel to study well and do something great in life. One day, Mr. Brown came home. He looked tired. His hands were shaking. His face was pale, but Daniel didn't notice. He was laughing at his phone, watching silly videos, eating chips, just wasting time. His father sat beside him and said, "Son, do you have any dreams?" Daniel replied, "I don't know. Maybe I'll be rich one day. Maybe I'll do something." His father smiled, but it was a sad smile. He said, "Son, life doesn't wait. You must wake up before it's too late." Daniel nodded, but he didn't listen. Days passed. Weeks passed. Months passed. Daniel did nothing. His friends got jobs. Some went to college. Some started small businesses. But Daniel stayed in bed. One morning, Daniel woke up. The house was quiet, too quiet. He looked for his father. He wasn't home. Hours passed. Then the phone rang. It was the hospital. Mr. Brown had collapsed while driving. His heart stopped. He was gone. Just like that. Daniel fell to the floor. His hands were shaking. His eyes were full of tears. His father was dead, and he had done nothing to make him proud. That night, Daniel looked in the mirror. His eyes were red. His face looked weak. He said, "What am I doing with my life? I wasted time. I wasted chances. I wasted everything." He remembered his father's words. Life doesn't wait. From that day, Daniel changed. He woke up early. He made a plan. He started studying. He looked for jobs. He read books. He learned new skills. He cried at night, but he kept going. He remembered one line every day: "Don't waste your life." Some days were hard. Some days he wanted to quit. But he remembered his father's tired eyes. He remembered how much his father worked for him. He said, "I will not waste his hard work. I will not waste my life." 1 year later, Daniel got a small job at a bookstore. He worked with a smile. He helped customers. He read books during lunch. He learned new words every day. He also joined a free English class. He spoke slowly, but he tried. The teacher told him, "You're doing great." That small praise made him feel big. Daniel also started writing a blog. He shared his story. He wrote about his pain, his change, his journey. People read it. They cried. They felt hope. They wrote to him, "You gave me strength." 2 years later, Daniel got a better job. He became a team leader. He helped others grow. He also started a YouTube channel. He talked about life, about time, about dreams. His most famous video was called "Don't Waste Your Life." It had 2 million views. People from all over the world thanked him. They said, "Because of you, I changed. Because of you, I got up and tried again. Because of you, I understood the meaning of life." One day, Daniel stood near his father's grave. He smiled. He said, "Dad, I hope you're proud." I was lost. I will not waste it. He placed flowers on the grave and whispered, "I will never waste my life again." My dear friend, this story is not just about Daniel. This story is also about you and me. Maybe you are wasting time. Maybe you think you have forever. But we don't. Time moves fast. Life is short. Don't wait. Don't delay. Don't say tomorrow. Start now. Wake up. Use your time well. Learn something. Help someone. Speak your dreams. Do the work. Even if life is hard, don't give up. Even if you feel small, keep going. Even if you fall, stand up again. Your life is a gift. Don't waste it. Now, as I promised, let's learn the 5 useful English phrases from this story. These phrases will help you speak better English. 1. Meaning, change your habits early before a big loss or problem happens. Example, he drinks too much soda. I told him to wake up before it's too late. 3. I will not waste my life. Meaning, I will do something useful with my time and energy. Example, I want to be a writer. I will not waste my life doing nothing. 4. I kept going. Meaning, I didn't stop. I didn't quit, even when it was hard. Example, I was tired, but I kept going. I finished my work. 5. I was lost, but now I see. Meaning, before, I didn't understand. Now I understand clearly. Example, I didn't care about school, but now I was lost, but now I see. You can practice these phrases every day. Try to use them in your own story. Speak them out loud. Shadow with me. Repeat after me. Speak with feeling. Thank you, my friend, for listening to this story. I hope it touched your heart. Remember, all don't waste your life.